Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone calendar search not working. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is force quiet and relaunch calendar app. For this, open this app switcher on your iPhone, swipe up and hold from the bottom of your screen and find the calendar app and swipe up to force close it. And the next step is restart your iPhone. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off and then wait for some time and press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is check your internet connection. Try running a quick internet speed test on your iPhone. In case your iPhone is not be able to finish the speed test, you will need to turn on airplane mode after a few seconds and then disable it to refresh the network. And you are done. And the next step is disable and re-enable the iCloud calendar. For this, open the settings app and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, select iCloud and then tap on show all and then tap on iCloud calendar. Toggle on use this iPhone to enable iCloud calendar synchronization. If already enabled, toggle off use on this iPhone. Now wait for at least a minute and then toggle on use on this iPhone. Go to the next step. And you are done. Ensure all calendar groups are enabled. This, open the calendar app. Tap the calendars option found at the bottom. Next to iCloud, select show all to enable all calendar groups. Once selected, the option will change to hide all. Tap then to begin viewing all your calendars. And you are done. Step is enable calendar sync for all events. For this, navigate to the calendar and then go to sync and then select all events from the list. And you are done. Next, enable calendar sync for all accounts. Go to the settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down and navigate to the calendar. Tap on it and then go to accounts. Then select your account and then toggle on calendars. And you are done. And the next step is check for iOS updates. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general. Next, tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. The next step is reindex calendar search from Siri and search. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and go to Siri and search option and then go to the calendar app, tap on it. Next, toggle off show content in search. After a few seconds, toggle on it again. And you are done. And the next step is ensure iCloud has enough storage. For this, go to settings and then tap the Apple ID banner with the name. Next, select iCloud and then tap on manage account storage to access additional details. Check if you have sufficient iCloud storage. In case you are running out of iCloud storage, you can subscribe to iCloud Plus to get additional storage and you are done. And the next step is reset all iPhone settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction and you are done. I hope this solution will fix the issue of iPhone calendar search not working, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.